Hello, what's going on you guys? I'm Mr. G. I will review the newest product from Longer. That is Longer Orange 4K. So here we go. First time, we must use the glove for the clean hands and safety, and we need cutter for unboxing. Here is the box for Longer Orange 4K. Let's see what inside. Yeah, that package is safely. Well, this package very safely to always keep the product in the box safe at the time of delivery. Let's see inside the box. Printer cover. The color is transparent orange. As the name implies, longer orange. I think it will block UV rays well. We have got pressing tank cover, and this plastic we have got card, hexagon wrench, USB flash disk, clean wiper, latex gloves, filtering funnel, screw, scraper, power adapter, build plate, and this is Longer Orange 4K. The power plug and switch are in the rear position. Let's turn it on. First step is to loosen the 4 screws from the build pad, making sure the 4 screws are properly loose. Now I'm going to take a sheet of plain paper that I cut to fit this area and place it on top of the LCD, which we use to flatten the build pad without touching the printer screen. Each 3D printer has a different LCD touch display. In Longer Orange 4K, to start the process, I will click Setting, move the Z-axis to the home position. Make sure there is model below the build pad or in the resin tank before leveling, or else it will cause damage to the printer. See that build pad is moving down, and make sure the screw loose, just enough to be in full contact with the LCD screen. Apply a little downward pressure, but be careful. Now it is time to start tightening the screw, and printer is already level. Then raise the build pad about 50 until 150 mm. Then install the resin tank and tighten the screw. Resin tank here use a good plastic material. That printer is all ready to run, but to print something we need to defile. In this case, we use file from Loot Studio. But before we send to the printer, we need to do something simple step. We must download slicer from Chitubox website. And click download. After download that slicer, install it. Open G2Box slicer, go to Help, Plugin, Import Plugin, then click Operating System you have, and I click Windows 64-bit. And go to the settings, add your printer, click Longer 3D, choose Longer Orange 3D 4K. Wow! Then what we have got? Resolution X is 6480. Whoa, it is amazing pixel on 4K with 3 times sub-pixel. Go to print, bottom layer count, fill 5. Exposure time 1.5 and bottom exposure time 25. Then import file, and click slice. Oh, it is just 45 minutes. And click save to USB disk. Wait until finish. And let's go fill tank with resin. In here, I have Udimo resin gray color. Before you use the resin, shake it well. Put USB stick to printer. Press file button. Click file you want to print. Then press play button. And don't forget to close with cover. And then voila! That printer is going to print. After print on, we must use isopropyl alcohol to clean resin. Shake it several times and soak 3 times with the isopropyl alcohol. And make sure that resin fully clean. Then use paper towel for clean and dry. Remove the object from the build plate and wait a few minutes for the object to completely dry. And cure with UV light a few minutes until cure. And this is it. That finish is very sharp object. It is the best 3D printer this year.